Sqribble Ebook Creator and Editor Review. Make ebooks for business. What is Sqribble? The primary goal of the Sqribble software is to help entrepreneurs and internet marketers generate high-quality ebooks without design skills. Sqribble makes this effortless for everyone. Sqribble is cloud-based software that helps make it easy to create ebooks. It is perfect whether you're making a professional ebooks for your own marketing needs. More credibility, leads, sales, and enthusiastic fans today. You can create information products in no time. No design, writing, and technical skills required. For example, you can use a good article rewriter software and then use the spun text for your ebook. Sqribble is a powerful software toolbox for those who want to create ebooks fast and easily. The software has lots of nice features, including templates, a drag-and-drop interface for designing, and the possibility to brand your work so you can generate more leads with each ebook you create. How does Sqribble work? All you have to do is write your text on the Sqribble page. Sqribble takes your content and turns it into a great-looking ebook. This process requires you to input your text and images into the Sqribble platform. There are a lot of high-quality templates for your ebooks. You can easily edit text, colors, and other things, and change, add or delete images, and so on. Sqribble also offers many other features for ebook publishing, such as Pax Gallery, Fantasia 3D, Prime Gallery, and Sendable. Sendable. Create right-away opt-in landing pages, download pages, host your ebooks, automate delivery, and get a full email autoresponder with unlimited sending without monthly fees. For more information about Sqribble, click the link below in this video. Thanks for watching.